Okay, I'm about to test both of these rings. This one I just purchased. It was purchased as 925 and a genuine stone. And this is my own personal ring that I know is 925 with an amethyst stone. So the first test I'm going to do is the presidium to check the stone. Let me start with the amethyst and show you that my machine is working properly. As you can see, it went up right there to the bottom line where it says amethyst. Okay? Now we'll check this one. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so stones, not real. Alright, so let me turn that off. The next test I'm going to do is the acid test, because as you can maybe see, this one is marked 925 right there in the bottom. And this one is marked, this one is probably worn off. Well, okay, maybe this one, I think it's worn off. But I know this one is sterling, and you will see that in my test. So, oh, and the other thing is, before I even test it, I know, due to that copper color right there that you can see, I already know it's not silver. That's the base metal showing through. So, there it is. That's a good... Right there you can tell it is not silver. The base metal wouldn't be showing through if it was silver. Notice this one. It is all silver in color. So what I'm going to do on this test, take my block, and I will do a scratch here. Oops. And I do this with all of my rings that come in my door. Get a nice good scratch. And a nice good scratch. Now right there you can tell the difference between the scratches. That one is a silver color. That one is more coppery color. Again, I know by that scratch that it is not silver. But that's okay, I'll carry on with the test anyway. Now, when I put this 18 karat acid on here, if it is not silver, the line will go away. It will disappear. If it is silver, it should turn a bright blue. So I'm going to put it on the coppery one, and I'm going to put it on notice how the line on the first one, which was the blue stone, disappeared, and my ring, to which I know is sterling, turned a bright glowing blue. So that is how, the many ways I know that that ring is not real and that one is. That's the test I do on every ring that comes through my door or every piece of sterling before I do anything else with it. So I don't want anybody to think that I'm trying to pull the wool over somebody's eyes or anything. That's the test.